What do I love most about Naples? I'd have to say the weather. Of course, we have beautiful beaches, amazing golf courses, boating, fishing, endless dining and shopping options throughout the local area. But I think if you combine all of those things with the fact that we've got that fantastic weather and you can enjoy all of those activities for pretty much every day of the year, I think it just really lends itself to an incredibly healthy lifestyle, both mentally and physically.
We're in a tropical environment. Again, this is a guy who came from England, cold, grey, damp. Pretty easy moving out to Florida and the beautiful environment that we've got here.
Naples just has so much to offer, and one of the things that I always share with my clients is the beautiful, pristine, clear waters, incredible beaches, miles and miles of award-winning beaches. Most thing I love about it, I think, is probably the fact that it's such a cosmopolitan city, but yet still has a small town feel.
You've got wonderful water, wonderful beaches, fantastic recreation. If you're a golfer, you like biking, you like walking, restaurants, theatre, you name it, it's all here. In a very, very well-planned community that's absolutely beautiful as you drive around it. I'm fortunate enough to travel all over the world, and whenever we come back, you always go, wow, we're back in Naples, this is really lovely. So it's always great to come home.
What makes Mediterra exceptional? I think it's the slogan. When you think about Mediterra, it's Mediterra have it all. And it really does demonstrate that in its incredible amenities. It has a standalone private beach club, just phenomenal views of the Gulf.
And you can walk the beach, go shelling, go swimming, boarding, it's all there. And a great restaurant if you want to just have lunch or go out for dinner.
You have nearly 9 miles of walking, biking, jogging paths, incredible nature. Some of the walks that you can do, you barely see any rooftops or front doors. Mediterra is the only golf and country club in about a 200 square mile radius that has a waiting list to get in, so it demonstrates just how desirable those courses are. If you're looking to purchase or build a home with London Bay, you can acquire a membership immediately. 7 hard-true tennis courts, a driving range that's that large it works from both ends, so long game, short game, and just an incredible social calendar to enjoy.
Fabulous exercise, huge bocce ball group. Very friendly club, great community, lots of social activities going on. It really is a fantastic place to live.
I think when buying into any community, you want to know exactly what you're buying into, and when it's financially sound, when it's privately owned, which Mediterra is, you know that you're buying into something that has no surprises. And I think that's significant when you're considering a multi-million-dollar home.
We started London Bay Homes in 1990. We offer a very unique specialised service. We're one of the very few custom home builders at this price point that has in-house services.
They can rely on us for everything from architecture, interior design, landscape architecture, and pool design.
One-stop shop creating superb luxury for our clients.
When choosing London Bay, I think that you've got to consider first and foremost everything that it has, its core values, its unwavering commitment to quality, its unwavering commitment to customer service, and unique designs.
When we say we're offering a private label living experience, we want this to be a very special process about your home, your wants, your needs, and create an experience that is unsurpassed.
Why buying new rather than used, I think, just answers itself. A new home today is not only offering security for the family, impact windows, doors, everything else that goes with the building science that London Bay offers to a home.
With regards to technology, we can take it as far as you want it. When you're flying down here and you want to turn the house on so that it's 72 degrees when you arrive, and as you drive in from the airport, you put on your music that you want to hear playing, you've got your lights going on in the pool. You really can control your house remotely and create the environment that you want.
The floor plans are so dynamic now versus what were only 5, 6, 7 years ago. We have homeowners who are moving up to newer homes because the floor plans in their existing homes don't offer the lifestyle that them and their family want to enjoy.
When you purchase a home that's new, it comes along with a warranty. And one unique thing about London Bay that's nice is we've got a customer relations and warranty department. You can feel confident knowing that we're going to be there should you encounter any issues with the home.
Why should you buy now? Simply, you can get incredibly low interest rates.
Well, I think the costs are tending to increase, so whatever you're looking at today is probably going to cost more tomorrow. And also, there is a restricted supply. If you're looking at the best communities and the best locations with the best views, there's not too much more of this getting created.
When you want to be in one of the communities that's in the top 10 in the world to retire to, you need to start thinking about making that decision now and moving forward, whether it's a build or purchasing one of our beautiful custom models.
This is normally a reward for a life's work. I invite you to come in and have a conversation with us about building a new home in Southwest Florida. We know you'll find it rewarding, we know you'll enjoy it, and we look forward to meeting you.